Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Tine Row. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tine Row. The Tine Row is located on the upper rack and it helps hold the dishes. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can pull the upper rack all the way out. Now we have access to the Tine Row. It's right here in the center of the upper rack. We're just going to open them up so we have access to the clips. It's held in on each end by a locking clip. We're just going to press up on the bottom of one to release it. Once you have it released, you can lift the Tine Row up, pull the locking clip off and set it aside. And then we can pull the Tine Row out of the other locking clip. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old Tine Row next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Tine Row in, we're just going to slide the rear into the locking clip. And then we can slide the locking clip onto the front mount and snap it onto the rack. Once you have it locked on, we can close the Tine Row and push in the upper rack. Once you have the rack in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.